So hello guys, you can see how beautiful those local chicken is. Both our normal local chicken and Fulani chicken, they are all mixed up here. Alright, those ones that are very tall, they are the Fulani chicken. So like I said, I brought it for one of my subscriber at Ekpe, alright, at Ibadan in Lagos State. So I brought for one of my subscriber here. He wanted to try them out and see their outcome. Or the ones in the wild, local chicken are still better than broiler ones in the wild, we are not going to buy feed for them. Those ones, they can feed on their own naturally. All right, as far as you have all this guinea corn on the maize, you are free to go. All right, so just be dropping it very early in the morning for them and they'll be feeding on it. And if you guys can see it close only, you are going to see some local guinea fowl among them also. All right, so there are some guinea fowl among them. So you can do something like that at your farm as well. If you want your farm to grow very fast, these are one of the things that you can do to make your farm grow very fast. You need to get some local chickens among your probably any type of livestock animal that you have in your farm. Add up local chicken to it as well, so that it can make your farm grow very faster. All right, so that is that about the particular video today. So I just want to show you guys how the local chicken looks like, and I told you guys I brought them yesterday night to this farm. So they were doing very great and they were eating and they were doing okay. So if you want to get your local chicken, you can tell me, I'll help you to get on few of them from Ibadan. So from Ibadan, I can help you to get all these local chicken. They are not that costly, all right? So I can help you to get, and you keep it at your farm. All right, so that was the particular video that I just want to show you guys for now. And please, like I said, keep on subscribing to our YouTube channel, turn the notification bell to be notified when next we drop a particular video like this for you, and keep on liking our videos and share. And bye for now.